Hello everyone, myself Krishnakant. I have developed a personalized travel agent using LLMs. So the main capabilities and use of this personalized travel agent is to assist users with travel related queries and planning. So this is an unified integrated LLM AI model to help the users in planning their trips or answering their travel related information. And the main features of this project is this model has capabilities to answer general travel related information like distance between cities, flight times, estimated cost. Along with this, the model also have capability to uh, understand the user question and trigger our local database to retrieve custom packages which we have for the users, and it will show all the available packages using our local SQLite database. And it will has various package types, and it will the model can understand what package the user was looking for, and it will retrieve the uh, related travel package for the user. So before I walk into how it works, I better show you the app once. Then I will go to the workflow. Yeah, so I have developed the app using Streamlit and I have deployed on the Streamlit cloud. And this is how it looks. And you can ask the queries, any queries to this travel agent chatbot. So let's say if I want to understand what is uh, travel time between and cost between Boston to London. So you can see that the output is like intent of the user is general travel related information. As we know, this travel time and cost is basically the general travel related information, right? So the model was able to understand the intent of the user, and it started providing all the related responses like the distance is around 5,500 kilometers, travel time of around 7.5 hours, 7 hour 15 minutes, and the flight cost was around five to $800 for economy, and so on, like for different economy. I mean, different types of costs. We have the model was able to show it, and similarly, if I ask similar question like visa flight travel time, yeah, between Boston to Delhi. Again, the intent of the user is identified as general travel related information. And this was the user question. And the distance is around 12,800 and the travel time is around approximately 15 to 18 hours. And these are the cost range for different types of classes. Yeah. So along with this, I have this model also have capability to show the travel packages according to the user needs, right? So if I ask like, can you plan a vacation for 5 days? Now you can see the intent of the user is showing as tour package information. So now the model is able to understand the query, and it was showing the intent of the user is tour package information, and it triggered our local database which I created when I started this work. Uh, and here if you see the table, all the available packages, so we have like adventure package type, luxury and relax, which include all the different activities for each different packages. And we can see the duration. We asked for 5 days, and it is showing for the 5 days. And similarly, if I ask like, what is can you plan a family vacation for 3 days? Let's say. Here we go. So again, the intent is to package information, and here we can see the package type of family and the duration of 3 days. So what earlier why I said it is an integrated unified model is because the model has capabilities to understand what is the intent of the user and what was the response, what response it has to give to the user, right? So if we ask like general travel related information, it is giving all the related information. If we ask about any tour package information, then it is triggering our local database. And based on this natural language, we are converting this natural language to SQL query, and we are triggering the SQL database. So if you go here, if I go here in my project, so I can see here, right? So in my SQLite file, I'm creating a tool package database. And in this database, I'm adding couple of package types like, adventure expedition, which is of type adventure, which includes scuba diving, and which is of days 5. So I added couple of packages to our database, and this is what the model was triggering to, right? And here is the tool package database. And if I go to our README file, I'll walk you through how it is working right now. So first, we take the user input from the Streamlit. So once we give the user input, we pass this user query to the LLM. Here I'm using the Gemini Pro LLM model. And so I pass this user query to the Gemini to identify the intent. So if the intent is general travel related information, then I will call the general travel related template prompt, which is mentioned over here. So this is general travel related prompt. And so here is the intent detection prompt. So you are tasked to developing an intent detector for helping user to plan their travel. So this is the prompt for the identifying the intent prompt. And once we get the intent, if it is a general travel related information, we pass our query along with the GTI prompt to the Gemini, and we get the response. We show that to the user. Similarly, if the intent is tour package information, we pass the user query to the TPI to the Gemini along with the TPI prompt. TPI is nothing but tour package information, and the response from Gemini will be, so it will convert the natural language to SQL query, and this SQL query will be triggered to our local SQL database. And whatever data we have retrieved from the SQL database, we show that to the users, which is what happening here. So this is the basic idea, and this will help the travel industry to automate all the process and also ease users workload, because they don't need to go to different tabs to know about travel information and also different tabs for the package information. So everything is unified over here. If you ask anything like, can you plan a luxury vacation? It will right away show all the available packages. And you can see here, so there are two luxury packages available for different durations like 5 days and 3 days. So this is the advantage of using LLMs in the uh, industry. So we can automate and we can leverage the power of LLMs to automate and ease the users and help them in leveraging all our capabilities. That's pretty much about my project, and you can find all the information over here, and you can even find the app link at the end of the README file. Thank you.